In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor on this Nissan Rogue. Let's get into it. To reset the oil life monitor, we're going to turn the key in the on position. So you don't want to step on the brake and just push the start stop button with having the key in the vehicle. Then on the center gauge, you're going to look while you push the return button on the steering wheel. You're going to scroll through until you find a list. Right here, and then where the enter button is, we're going to scroll down to the maintenance, click the enter, oil and filter, enter. When we're on this screen, we're going to hit the enter button. When we're on the mileage, we can scroll up to the mileage that you want to set it at. We're going to go 5,000 and then go down below to the reset and hit enter. Reset, yes, enter. And there you go. You can back out of there just with the back key and you're good to go. Shut the key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.